Hi, Steven. Hi. Hi, Steven. Hi, big guy. Hi. Hi, Sugar. Hey, Steven.
Did you see that, Linda?
No.
Come on,
He
Luca.
just went up on the
Oh, did he?
Luca. Come on, hop up. Come on, hop it up, hop it up.
Oh.
All right. Come on. Yay!
Yay!
Come on. Stella, hop it up. Stella, yay! Yes,
Grace is busy.
Grace is going mold her second run, but Libby's flagging. So Libby can't come out with any of them. No, Libby can't come out. But you're my next one to be shown again. You just need that major to finish. But you see, she ate the tip to her tail. What?
Yes, you can see.
She ate the tip of her tail. Off. Yeah. Come on. Hi, Flame. Hi, Flame. Hello, Flame. Hello, Libby. Hello, Libby. My Ibby. Is that my Libby on the label? Yeah, Libby on the label.
Annie. Hi, Annie.
Oh, Annabelle. Annie. Annie, still, come on.
That's the topic, you know him.
Annie.